Not quite summer yet, but you can head to a vacation spot where it's always a warm 80 degrees at Soaring Eagle Water Park and Hotel.
No mung beans there either.
Nope.
Not to mention that they got a slew of activities, concerts, and more to make your staycation one you'll never forget. Check it out.
Who's ready to splish, splash, eat, and make some memories without traveling too far away? Soaring Eagle Properties in Mount Pleasant, Michigan is your answer. At the water park, race down 3-story water slides, be daring on the Flow Rider Surf Simulator, or knock it down a few notches and relax on the lazy river. Whether you want to get a hotel package or just come for the day, lots of options at Soaring Eagle Water Park. As a thank you for your service, Mega Military May is any day in May. 25% off rack rate for registered military guests, and this includes $10 in premium play at Soaring Eagle Casino and one free breakfast at the family restaurant. Call 866-2EAGLE-2 for pricing, details, and a book. Speaking of the family restaurant at Soaring Eagle Water Park, Mother's Day is sneaking up. May 9th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., enjoy brunch complete with a mimosa bar. $15 for adults, children of 3 to 10, just $8 to and under. You get to eat free with a paying adult. Make your reservation by calling 989-817-4806. More details on SoaringEagleWaterPark.com. Have a golfer in the family? Waboo's Run is having a Pro Shop liquidation sale in the lobby of Soaring Eagle Water Park starting April 28th and until inventory is gone. Get 50% off listed price. The Hideaway RV Park is now open and just yards away from the water park. Explore 42 acres with canoes, kayaks, and paddle boats. Not to mention enjoy free shuttles from the campground or water park and try your luck at Soaring Eagle Casino. An extended stay is a great option with The Retreat. The European design has clean lines, bright colors, kitchens, washers, dryers, and more. Go to SoaringEagleWaterPark.com and click on Stay With Us to find out details. Get ready to dance the night away at Soaring Eagle Casino's outdoor concerts. Tickets are still available for Keith Urban with special guest Lindsay L., and they're going to take the stage on August 28th. Urban has released a total of 11 studio albums and has charted 37 singles on the U.S. Hot Country Songs chart, 18 of which went to number 1. Rockers are going to want to snag tickets for July 10th when Megadeth and Lamb of God with special guest Trivium and In Flames take the stage. To purchase tickets, go to etix.com, the Soaring Eagle box office, or call 800-514-3849. Swim, stay, play, gamble, and sing at Soaring Eagle Properties.